Morning everybody. Today I would like to we discuss another chapter regarding to accountancy, namely partnership accounts. Partnership accounts. In this chapter, 20 marks problem will be appear in examination and 2 marks question will be appear in examination. So regarding to second year accountancy, partnership accounting is very most important chapter. Partnership accounts. Come to the point. Business organizations may be classified as into two types. Business organizations may be classified. Business organizations Good morning everybody. Today I would like to we discuss another chapter regarding to accountancy, namely partnership accounts. Partnership accounts. In this chapter, 20 marks problem will be appear in examination and 2 marks question will be appear in examination. So regarding to second year accountancy, partnership accounting is very most important chapter. Partnership accounts. Come to the point. Business organizations may be classified as into two types. Business organizations may be classified. Business organizations may be classified as two types. Non-corporate business, non-corporate business organizations and corporate business organizations. Corporate business organizations. Under non-corporate business organizations, business types of business may be number 1, sole trader business. Sole trader business. Number 2, partnership business. Number 3, joint Hindu family business. Joint Hindu family business and cooperative business. These are the non-cooperative business organizations. So, sole trader business is one of the simplest and oldest form of business organizations. Sole trader business is one of the simplest and oldest form of business organizations. Sole trader business has its own limitations. So many limitations are involved in sole trader business, such as unlimited liability, unlimited liability, limited capital, Next, survival existence problem. Next, number 4, no division of work. No sole trader business. So, in order to avoid those limitations, another form of business organization may be adopted by the people called as partnership. Called as partnership business. Partnership business. Partnership business. So today class I would like to enter my concentration on partnership accounts. So partnership is agreement between the partners, share the profit and losses to do the business called as partnership. Also partnership business. So partnership business come to existence where agreement between the partners who agreed the start the business to establish a business and agreed the share profit and losses according to decided ratio. So partnership is come into existence with agreement. Without agreement, there is no partnership at all. Agreement is a constitution to the partnership form of business organization. So, Partnership Act 1932, Partnership Act 1932 came into existence. According to Partnership Act 1932, Section 4, definition. Partnership may be defined as partnership is defined as relationship between the partners. Relationship between the partners who agreed shared profit and losses carrying on all or any one of them acting for all any one of them acting for all. So Partnership Act 1932, according to Partnership Act 1932 Section 4, partnership may be defined as it is a relationship between the partners who agree to share the profit and losses carrying on business by all or any one of them acting for all. This is the definition of partnership. So in partnership business between the partners come together to start the business, sharing the profit and losses according to decided ratio or in absence of agreement. Profit and losses can be shared equal by all the partners called as partnership. So partnership. So the relationship between the partners who agree to share the profit and losses carrying on the business by all or any one of them acting for all called as business. This is the definition of partnership. Then features of partnership. Features of partnership. Partnership. Features of partnership. Number one feature. Membership. Two or more members. Two or more members. Two or more members. Number two feature. Agreement. Number three feature. Business. Number four. Mutual understanding. Mutual understanding or mutual agency. Number five, sharing profits and losses. Liability. Number seven, transfer of share. Number eight, management. These are the characteristics of partnership. Now we would like to discuss elaborately each and every one features. So partnership features. Number one, two or more members. So in order to start the business, minimum two members are required to start the business in partnership form. Minimum two members are required. So Partnership Act 1932 Section 11 put some restrictions on minimum and maximum membership. So in order to start the business, minimum two members are required. And a maximum 10 in case of banking in case of banking, and 20 members, not exceeded 20 members in general business. So according to Partnership Act 1932 Section 11 put some restrictions on the maximum membership of the partners. So in order to start the business, minimum two members are required to start the business. Maximum 10 members in banking sector, 20 members in general business. If 20 members cross in membership, it is not treated as a company form of business organization. So to start the business, minimum two members are required in partnership business. Next, agreement. To start the business, agreement between the partners is necessary. So such agreement in writing, it may be in writing, such agreement it may be in writing or oral or verbal. So oral agreement also equally valid to written agreement. Agreement is a conditions among the partners or between the partners. Without agreement, we cannot realize a partnership. So partnership means agreement between the partners. Such agreement in the form of oral or in the form of written. To avoid the future disputes, agreement must be in writing. Is there any disputes arising in future? In order to resolve those problems, agreement may be in writing. So this is the another characteristic features of partnership. Next one, business. So partnership come to the existence, mutual understanding of the partners. Mutual understanding of the partners. If in case, for example, Ramesh and Suresh purchase a bit of land. So they become a joint owner of the property, not partners. So in case Ramesh and Suresh are joint owners of the property, not partners. If in business, Suresh and Ramesh purchase land and sale for the to making profit called as business. In some example, for example, some people are gathered, contributed or gathered to do some social work, to do some charitable work. That is not business, that is not partnership business. So Suresh and in this case, Suresh and Ramesh, they are partners, they are buying and selling of the goods and services in order to make the profit called as business. So partnership business is according to agreement, start the business, run the business by the partners, managed by the partners, and profit losses equally shared by the partners. So this is the third characteristics of partnership business. Next one, mutual agency. Under this mutual agency, partners are participated all or any one of them acting for all. That is fundamental characteristics of mutual agency. So in partnership business, each and every partner carrying the business is principal and agent relationship will be realized. Each and partner must be responsible to carrying the business. So mutual agency is very, very, very important characteristic to the business, to the partnership business. Without mutual agency, without mutual understanding, we cannot treat it as a partnership. Next one, sharing and profit losses. Sharing and profit. So, in partnership business, partners is there. They share the profit and losses at predetermined ratio. So, any profit arises by connecting the business, first profit is to be distributed among the partners at predetermined ratio. In absence of agreement, in absence of partnership deed, entire profit or losses shared by equally. By all partners. Shared by equally by all partners. So, sharing of profit and losses by all partners at a predetermined ratio or in absence of agreement, in absence of partnership, all losses and profit shared by equally by all partners. This is another characteristic of partnership form of business organization. Next, liability. In sole trader business, the liability of the sole proprietor is unlimited. It personally liable to the third parties for acts of the business. Here, partners personally and jointly liable to the outsiders or third parties for acting of the business. Is there any losses arises in the business? Such losses must be borne by all partners. All partners. So here, diffusion of risk will be taken place. In case of sole trader, there is no diffusion of risk. Entire losses can be borne by sole trader. But in partnership business, the liability of the partner is personally and jointly responsible for the liability to the third parties for acts of the business. So this is the liability. Next, transfer of sales. Transfer of sales. In joint stock company, share partners can easily transfer sales without any restrictions. Whereas in case of partnership, no partner can transfer his share without consent of the rest of the partners. So, transfer of sales is very difficult in partnership form of business organization, and transfer of sales is very simple in joint stock company. Next one, management. Each partner has right to participate in the affairs of the business by authorized. In the business management, all partners can be conducted, or any one of them will be conducted. Entire profits and losses can be borne by all partners equally or predetermined ratio. So every partner has a right to take decision. Every partner has a right to participate in the business. Every partner has a right to write the finance. Every partner has a right to participate in the management of the business or firm called as management. These are the fundamental features of the partnership. Once again, to start the business, 2 or more members are required. Second, agreement is a must. Without agreement, it is not recognized. People are, publics are, partners are not come together. Next, business. It must be selling and buying of the business, selling and buying of the goods and services called as business. So, next, mutual understanding. There is a must mutual understanding among the partners. Sharing profit ratio, liability, transfer of sales, and management. These are the fundamental characteristics of the partnership form of business organization. Next one, partnership deed. Next one, partnership deed. Sorry, types of partners. Types of partners. Number 1, active partner. Number 2, sleeping partner. Number 3, nominal partner. Number 4, partners only in profits. Partners only in profits. Partners only in profits. Number 5, ex-total partner. SOFL partner. Number 6, minor partner. Minor partner. Active partner. Active partner is a partner who play the active role in the business of X called as active partner. So, sleeping partner. Sleeping partner is a partner. He made a contribution in the form of capital. He doesn't take any active role in the business of X called as sleeping partner. Nominal partner. Nominal partner is a partner. He is not at all contributed to capital to the business, but he is liable to third parties for the acts of business called as nominal partner. Partners who own in the profit. Such partners only share in the profits, not in the losses of the firm. SOFL partner. SOFL partner is a partner who always talks favorable to the others of the business called as SOFL partner. Minor partner is a partner though a person who not completed 18 years called as minor partner. But according to importance fact 1932, minor partners are not eligible to enter into the business. But in favor of the business, minor partners also can enter into the business, but he is not liable to the third parties called as minor partner. Minor partners. Next, partnership deed. Partnership deed. Partnership deed. Partnership deed. Partnership deed is a agreement. It explains the conditions, terms and conditions of the business already mentioned in the form of documents. So, partnership deed is a constitution to the partnership form of business organization. Any disputes arises, partnership deed will be helpful in order to solve the problems of partnership. So, deed is an agreement. Partnership is a terms and conditions of the agreement. Number 1, name of the business. Name of the business. Number 2, nature of the business. Nature of the business. Next, number 3, duration. Duration of the business. Duration of the business. Number 4, accounting year. Accounting year for the business. Accounting year for the business. Number 5, address. Names and addresses. Names and address. Addresses of partners. Names and addresses of partners. Number 6, partners capital contribution. Capital contribution of the partners. Capital contribution of the partners. Capital contribution of the partners. Next, profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. Number interest on capital, interest on capital, interest on drawings, interest on drawings, interest on drawings. Next, salary or remuneration to remuneration, salary or remuneration to active partner, active partner, salary or remuneration to active partner. Next, interest on loan, interest on loan, interest on loan given by partner, given by partner, given by partner, interest on loan given by partner. Next, next one, accounting procedure, accounting procedure for admission, retirement, death of partner, accounting procedure for admission, retirement and death of the partner. Next one, procedure for dissolution of the firm, accounting procedure for dissolution of the firm, accounting procedure for dissolution of the firm. These are the conditions mentioned in the partnership deed. So, partnership deed is a very, very important document. It is a constitution to the partnership. Without partnership deed, it is not treated as a partnership agreement. So, partnership deed explain terms and conditions of the business. In order to avoid future disputes, it must be in writing. So there is no compulsory for the registration of the partnership firm. If it is better to register the partnership firm, these are the contents of the partnership deed, namely name of the business, nature of the business, duration of the business, accounting year for the business, name and address of the partners, capital sharing ratio, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, remuneration to active partner, interest on loan given by the partner, accounting procedure for admission, retirement, death of the partner, procedure for dissolution of the firm. These are the terms and conditions mentioned in partnership deed. In absence of partnership deed, in absence of partnership read, all partners are equally shared by profit and losses. In absence of partnership read, all partners shared equally, all partners share equally profits and losses, profits and losses. Number 2, no interest on capital, no interest on capital, no interest on capital, no interest on capital. Next, no interest on drawings, no interest on drawings. Next, if any partner extended loan to the firm, any partner given loan to the firm, interest cannot exceed at 6% per annum. 6% per annum. So, in case of inabsence of partnership deed, the following terms and will be applied to the partnership accounts. So, all partners shared equally profits and losses. No interest is allowed on capital. No interest is allowed on drawings by partners. Next, if any partner extended loan to the firm, given loan to the firm, rate of interest cannot exceed 6% per annum. Cannot exceed 6% per annum. So these are the terms applied when in absence of the partnership form. In absence of the partnership form.
friends, myself Uma, KSBD Banganpalli, Kannur district. I am working as a PCT in chemistry. In this session, we are discussing continuation of biomolecules. Let us see what the topics present in this session. First, in this session, we are discussing the nucleic acids, and second one is vitamins. Let us see one by one. Okay, let us see nucleic acid. So, what is human body contains so many cells. These are the one of the cell. In these cells, some nucleuses are present. In these cells, nucleus are present. At the same time, nucleus contains chromosomes. Okay, this is cell, human cell. This is nucleus, and this is chromosome. This chromosome is made up of nucleic acid. Cells, human cell contains nucleus. Nucleus contains chromosomes. This chromosome made up with nucleic acid. This is the process which present in nucleic acids. That is chromosomes. Chromosomes made up of nucleic acids. Okay. In particularly, nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. These are the two very important products, compounds present in humans. Okay, in nucleic acids, two topics are present, that DNA and RNA. These two are very important for us. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of nucleic acids. Human body, human cells, nucleus are present. Inner nucleus present, in nucleus chromosomes present. These chromosomes made up of nucleic acid, made by the nucleic acid. In this, DNA, RNA are the main components present in the nucleic acid. Okay. Next, classification of the nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are classified into three types. Nucleic acid classified into three types. Means these three compounds combines. First one, pentose. Pentose sugar. First one is pentose sugar. Second one is phosphoric acid derivative. Phosphoric acid derivatives. Third one is nitrogenous bases. Third one is nitrogenous bases. Again, I repeated, nucleic acid combines with three components. That is, one is pentose sugars, and second one is phosphoric acid derivatives, and third one is nitrogenous combases. In pentose sugar, there are two types of compounds we are using. That is ribose. Particularly, we are using here beta ribose, and second one is deoxyribose. In that, only beta-deoxyribose we are using. It contains two other compounds, that is ribose and deoxyribose. Again, phosphoric acid is in this phosphoric acid mainly we are using phosphate esters. Okay, next, nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases usually they have heterocyclic compounds. Hetero means other than carbons. That means oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. These are the heterocyclic compounds. Okay, so this is a classification of the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid classified are components. One is pentose sugar, and second one is phosphoric acid derivative, and third one is nitrogenous bases. So pentose sugar, again we are using two types of compounds, that is ribose and deoxyribose. Phosphoric acid derivatives, they they have, particularly we are using phosphate derivative esters. And nitrogenous bases, particularly heterocyclic compounds are present in the amino acids. Three types of compounds present in the nucleic acid. Let us discuss one by one. First, pentose sugar. In pentose sugar, ribose we are using. What is the structure and what is the cyclic structure of the ribose? Let us see. In ribose, this is ribose. In this ribose, 5 carbon atoms are present. 5 carbon atoms are present. Okay. Next, it is pentose sugar. It is pentose sugar. Okay. Pentose means, pen means 5 carbon atoms, ose means sugar. It is pentose sugar. In this ribose, 5 carbon atoms are present. It is pentose sugar. And what is the structure of ribose? The structure of ribose is this one. CHO, CH, OH, COH, CH, COH, H, CH2, OH. This is the structure of the ribose. See here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. In this, total 5 carbon atoms are present. So it is pentose sugar. So see here, in this ribose structure, of the function group present, that is aldehyde group. This aldehyde group I am writing like this: CHO group, C double bond O H. Aldehyde group I am writing like this. So in this here, bottom of the second carbon, they contains one of the OH group. In this OH group, oxygen, they have lone pair electrons. It is valence shell. That means they are donating the carbon atom present in the aldehyde group. So these lone pair of electrons donate to the carbon atom. At the same time, in between these carbon and oxygen, electronegativity difference is there. So electron shifted towards the oxygen. Oxygen gets negative charge and carbon gets positive charge. At the same time, carbon attracts to the lone pair of electrons from oxygen. There is the bond between the carbon and oxygen. The cyclic structure of the ribose is this one. First carbon, this one, C double bond O. It means one bond is broken to form negative and positive charge. These hydrogen attach to the oxygen. These hydrogen attach to the oxygen by the formation of OH group. C, H, and H. And next carbon, C, H. Reminding there is no changes, so I am writing same as that. Second carbon, third carbon, OH, H. Next, C, O. Here, oxygen is combined with carbon. This carbon, oxygen combines with second carbon. So, this is the combination of bridge between the formation of the one cyclic compound. Again, next, CH2OH. This is the structure. Straight chain structure of the ribose. Let us see. Again, I explain this is the only hydrogen present in the ribose sugar. Ribose sugar, in bottom of the second carbon, they have one OH group. In this OH, oxygen contains lone pair of electron in its valence shell. These electrons attract to the carbon atom present in the aldehyde group. At the same time, in between the oxygen and carbon, there is electronegativity difference between the oxygen and carbon. So electrons migrate to the oxygen, they form negative charge, and carbon forms positive charge. Oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen attracts to the oxygen. So oxygen, hydrogen form OH. Carbon, this carbon, for fifth carbon, second carbon, they form the cyclic compounds like this. So this is the straight chain cyclic structure of the ribose. In this cyclic structure, you can write again by the formation of furanose structures. is present in between the cycle. So this is the cycle. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So 4 carbon atoms are attached to the one of the cycle. Okay. Next, inner of the function groups, inner hydrogen OH. Total 3 groups are present. These are inner of the groups present. So these groups are placed above of the cycle. So I am writing like this. So first OH group above of the cycle. Next hydrogen below of the cycle. Next hydrogen OH. Next OH hydrogen. Next higher of the all. This is the higher group than compared to higher. So hydrogen I am writing like above of the cycle. This one OCH2OH. H. This is the Furanose structure of the ribose. Okay, so here first carbon, second carbon, fourth carbon, this is the fifth carbon. So total 5 carbons are satisfied by the ribose. At the same time, cyclic structure, there is no changes in the OH groups present. So here OH is above of the cycle, so it is beta form. So OH group present in the cycle above of the cycle, so it is beta. Means beta ribose. The name of the ribose structure is beta ribose. Beta ribose. If alpha ribose is present, the OH group is below of the cycle. That means here OH group is not present. Here only hydrogen is present, and here OH groups are present. And that means OH group present in below of the cycle is called alpha ribose. Above of the OH present beta ribose, below of the present OH alpha ribose. In nucleic acid particularly we are observing only beta ribose, not for alpha ribose. Okay, so here totally we are using beta ribose, not for alpha ribose. This is the structure. Okay, let us go next. Deoxyribose. And what is the structure of deoxyribose and the cyclic structure of the deoxyribose? Let us see. Okay, go to deoxyribose. Deoxy means removal of oxygen. SN2 carbon in ribose. So this is the ribose structure. Again I repeat it. Structure, second carbon they have one of the OH group. In this carbon they remove the oxygen, deoxy. So oxygen will be removed at C2 carbon. Remove of oxygen at C2 carbon. C2 carbon they contains one of the OH group. That OH contains oxygen will be removed. Is called deoxyribose. The structure of deoxyribose is this one. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So in this second carbon atom they loses oxygen. So means OH, H, H, H. So one of the oxygen will be removed, remaining hydrogen. Next OH, H, CH2, OH. This is the deoxyribose. Only difference, that is C2 carbon in ribose. In ribose C2 carbon they have one of the OH group present. And deoxyribose at C2 carbon there is no oxygen present in the cycle. So it is deoxyribose. This one is ribose. And this one is deoxyribose. deoxyribose, removal of oxygen from cytocarbon from the ribose. The two structures of the ribose and deoxyribose. Let us see what is the Purines structure of the ribose. Same, this is the Purines structure of the ribose and deoxyribose. I am writing the formula of these Purines structure. Beta D ribose Purines. The name of the other deoxyribose is beta D deoxyribose Purines. These are the two Purines compounds containing the two structures of the compounds. Okay, again this is the total about the ribose and deoxyribose. These are the two pentose sugars. Okay, let us complete the ribose sugars. Next, we are going to the discussion of the phosphoric acid derivatives. What are the phosphoric acid derivatives? What is the molecular formula of the phosphoric acid? Molecular formula of the phosphoric acid is phosphoric acid. The formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. H3PO4. The structure of phosphoric acid is P double bond O, OH, OH, OH. So here the structure of the phosphoric acid is this one. In this phosphoric acid, total 3 OH groups are present. These 3 OH groups undergoes hydrolysis. One of the hydrogen will be replaced by the alkyl groups. That means, for example, this OH group, first OH, second OH, third OH. In this undergoes hydrolysis by the replacement of alkyl group to gain P double bond OH, OH. Here hydrogen is replaced by the alkyl group, so OR is formed. The name of these phosphoric acid derivatives are monoester. Means one of the hydrogen will be replaced by the alkyl group. So it is ester group. So it is monoester. What is diester? What is triester means? If you take another OH group, they loses hydrogen by the replacing of the alkyl group to form diester. That means P double bond OH, O, R, next OR. So here two alkyl groups ester groups are present. So this name of this compound is diester. Okay. Next, third OH group also present in the phosphoric acid. By the replacing of this hydrogen by the alkyl group, the compound will be formed P double bond O, R, O, R. Totally 3 OH groups are removed by this ester groups. So it is triester. This is triester. These are the phosphoric acid derivatives. So phosphoric acid formula H3PO4. In the structure of phosphoric acid is P double bond OH, OH, OH. This is the structure of the phosphoric acid. These phosphoric acid undergoes hydrolysis by the replacement of the alkyl group. One by one OH groups are removed. By addition of the alkyl group, ester groups are formed. Totally mono, di, triesters are the formation. So here these esters are using the formation of the nucleic acid. Okay, this is the two types of compounds present in the nucleic acid we completed. Next, go to the nitrogenous bases. So next topic, nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases. Bases protons easily. So here What is the base present in nitrogenous? Nitrogen present in the compound. That means nitrogen they have one pair of electrons in this valence shell. So here two types of nitrogen bases are you are using. One is purine. One is purine. This is the one of the nitrogenous bases. And second one is pyridine. So these are the nitrogenous bases present in the nucleic acids. So what is the structure of the purine and what is the structure of pyrimidine? Let us see. Purine structure. First we are seeing purine. So the structure of the purine is this one. This is the structure of the purine. So this is the structure of the purine. Okay. Next, pyrimidine. Pyrimidine structure is this is pyrimidine. Okay. So purine, pyrimidine are the nitrogen bases present in the nucleic acid. The structures of the purine and pyrimidine are this one. So in this nitrogenous bases, total 3 types of compounds we are using. So particularly one of the derivatives of the purine, second one is derivatives of the pyrimidine, and one is heterocyclic compounds. So purine. So here nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are 2 types. One is purine derivatives and second one is pyrimidine derivatives. What are the purine and pyrimidine derivatives? Total 5 purine and pyrimidine derivatives are present. Total 5 purine and pyrimidine derivatives are present. In that 5, 3 pyrimidine derivatives present and 2 purine derivatives are present. Let us see. Nitrogen bases contains various derivatives. One is purine and second one is pyrimidine. In that total purine derivatives are 2 and pyrimidine derivatives are 3. So the structures of the purine derivatives and pyrimidine derivatives are, let us see. So in purine derivatives, are first one adenine. It is denoted by A. Second one guanine. Second one is guanine. So these are the 2 purine derivatives. Okay. So next pyrimidine derivatives. So pyrimidine derivatives totally 3. First one is uracil. It is denoted by the letter U. And second one is cytosine. It is denoted by the letter C. And third one is thymine. Second one is thymine. It is denoted by the letter T. These are the total nitrogenous bases, particularly purine derivatives and pyrimidine derivatives. Totally we get 5 derivatives of nitrogen bases. In that purine derivatives are 2, pyrimidine derivatives are 3. So purine derivatives are adenine, A, guanine. These are the 2 purine derivatives. Pyrimidine derivatives uracil, cytosine, thymine. So let us see what is the structures of these 5 nitrogenous bases. Let us see. we are discussing purine derivatives. So purine derivatives are two types. So first one is adenine and second one is guanine. So here, see, this is purine. This is purine structure. In this purine structure, fourth carbon they have the amino group present. So if amino group present in fourth carbon, it is adenine. Okay. Next, guanine. So this is the guanine structure, and in this guanine structure means purine structure, they have second carbon amine group and fourth carbon ketonic group. If in guanine, second carbon there is a amino group and fourth carbon there is a ketonic group. The structure of this compound is guanine. These are the two purine derivatives structures. Okay. Next, pyrimidine derivatives. So pyrimidine derivatives are three types: cytosine, uracil, thymine. So first structure is cytosine structure. This is the pyrimidine structure. This is the pyrimidine structure. In this pyrimidine structure, second carbon there is an oxy group and fourth carbon there is an amine group. So in this pyrimidine structure, second carbon oxy group present and fourth carbon amine group present. So set 2 oxy, 4 amino. Pyrimidine derivative. This one is 2 oxy, 4 amino. Pyrimidine derivative. This one. Okay. Next, let us go second structure, that is uracil. In this structure, second carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this structure, second carbon atom and fourth carbon atom, they have 2 double bond groups. That is, 2 means di. We are using di. According to our nomenclature, we are using di. So 2, 4, di, oxy, pyrimidine derivative. Pyrimidine derivative. Okay, it is uracil. Okay, next go to thymine. This is pyrimidine derivative. In this pyrimidine derivative, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. In this thymine, second, fourth carbon atoms, there is a C double bond group is present, and also there is a small difference to uracil to thymine, that is fifth carbon there is a methyl group present. So the structure of this compound is 2, 4, dioxy, 5 methyl pyrimidine derivative. This is the structure of the name of this structure. So 2, 4 dioxy, 5 methyl pyrimidine derivative. These are the 3 pyrimidine derivatives of the compound. So one is cytosine, second one is uracil, third one is thymine. These are the nitrogenous bases present in the compounds. That is purine derivative and pyrimidine derivatives. Okay, let us go to discuss nucleosides, nucleosides and nucleotides. Let us go discuss one by one nucleosides and nucleotides. Next, nucleosides. Nucleotides are the next topics. Nucleosides is the combination of sugars. Is the combination of sugar plus base. Okay, these are the combination of the sugar and base. Is called nucleosides. And nucleotides is the combination of sugar, base along with phosphate esters. Okay, this is the combination of the nucleosides and nucleosides. Nucleosides, sugar, base is the combination of the compound, and nucleotides, sugar, base along with phosphate ester. And what are the structures of the nucleosides and nucleotides? Let us see one by one. For example, let us see nucleosides. In this nucleosides, sugar, base, both present. So how they present it? Let us see the structure of a nucleoside. So sugar here, ribose sugar are deoxyribose sugars. So total here one nucleosides, sugars are two types. One is ribose sugar, second one is deoxyribose. Anything in here present. Suppose we are taking ribose sugar. is ribose. In this ribose is combined with base. Any base, if you take adenine, guanine, thymine, uracil, cytosine, anything if you take. I am taking here thymine. Thymine is a which type of derivative? It is a purine derivative. Pyrimidine derivative thymine. If you take adenine, this is adenine. In this adenine, this is the adenine structure. Base adenine, base sugar. Both are attached to the by the elimination of water molecules. They undergo hydrolysis by the elimination of water molecule to form a nucleoside. The structure of nucleoside is this one. So here, these OH and hydrogen will be replaced. In between these carbon and nitrogen, one new bond will be formed like this. Hydrogen, OH, H, OH, H, CH2OH. This is the nucleoside. Okay. So again repeated, nucleoside is a combination of sugar and base. Here I am taking ribose sugar. In this ribose sugar and this is adenine. These two compounds combines by the elimination of water molecules undergo hydrolysis to give a nucleoside. Okay, is it clear? Next, we are going to nucleotides. Nucleotides in this sugar, base along with phosphate ester. So let us see what is the structure of nucleotide. Sugar, base. So by the combination of nucleotide. So nucleotide how it formed here along with the phosphate ester. So I am taking another compound that is phosphate ester. This is the phosphate ester. Anything monophosphate, diphosphate, triphosphate, anything we are taking by the elimination of water molecule. From where here in fifth carbon atom they have one of the OH group. These OH group, these hydrogen by the removal of water molecule to form a nucleotide like this. So here CH2OH will be removed. This CH2 attached to the oxygen. So I am writing like this: CH2O, P, double bond O, OH, OR. Remaining same. So that means OH, there is no change in other groups. HOH, HOH, H. This carbon attached to the nitrogen by the removal of water molecule. This is the structure of the nucleotides. Nucleotides form the combination of the sugar, base along with phosphate ester to form nucleotide. These nucleotides and nucleosides are involved in the nucleic acid, particularly DNA and RNA. For example, here we are taking ribose sugar. If deoxyribose, that means here oxygen, H2 carbon, there is a removal of oxygen to form a deoxyribose. This deoxyribose combines with base along with ester to form deoxynucleotide will be formed. Deoxynucleotide will be formed. Okay, this is the nucleotide. discuss the structures of the DNA and RNA. Let us go discuss one by one DNA and RNA. Okay. Next, DNA. In DNA means deoxy ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is DNA. In this DNA, first is observed by Watson Crick. Watson and Crick. These are the two scientists who first observed by DNA. Okay. So in this DNA, it is double helical structure. Double helical structure. Helix means fixed lines. Double helical structure. So how it is present? This is double helical structure. So first helical, second helical. So it is double helical structure. In between double helical structure, hydrogen bonds are present. In between double helical structures, hydrogen bonds are present. These are the strong bonds together binding the purine and pyrimidine derivatives. So here in DNA, totally 4 compounds are present through hydrogen bonds. First one is adenine, second one is guanine. Adenine, second one is guanine, third one is cytosine, and fourth one is thymine. Cytosine and fourth one is thymine. These are the 4 compounds of pyrimidine derivatives, nitrogenous bases present in the DNA. So adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. These are the 4 nitrogenous bases present in DNA. Particularly adenine and thymine. In between these two nitrogenous bases, hydrogen bond will be formed. Okay. Next, cysteine and guanine. In between these two nitrogenous bases, hydrogen bond formed. So adenine is combined with thymine. Vice versa. Thymine combines with adenine. Okay. So adenine combines with thymine. Vice versa. Thymine is combined with adenine. In between these nitrogenous bases, hydrogen bond will be developed. Next, cytosine, guanine. In between, hydrogen bond formed. Vice versa, guanine combines with the cytosine. There is a hydrogen bond will be formed. So, for example, if you take cytosine and guanine, in between cytosine and guanine, hydrogen bond present. If guanine is combined with the cytosine, in between these also hydrogen will be formed. So that is I am saying. So cytosine, guanine, here hydrogen bond formed. At the same time, guanine and cytosine, here also hydrogen bond will be formed. Same as adenine and thymine and adenine. Same vice versa, hydrogen bonds are developed in the DNA structure. So this is the main thing of the DNA. Next, let's go to RNA. So DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It is first discovered by Watson and Crick. First discovered by the structure of DNA, and the structure of DNA is double helical structure. DNA is the combination of the 4 nitrogenous compounds, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. So adenine combines with thymine. By the formation of one hydrogen bond. Vice versa, This is the main important point in the DNA. This is total about the DNA. Let us go to RNA. Next, RNA. So RNA means ribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. So RNA means ribonucleic acid. So in this ribonucleic acid, so it is a single helical structure. It is single helical structure. Helical structure. So here also 4 types of compounds present in RNA. So RNA 4 nitrogen bases are present. One is adenine. Second one is guanine. Third one is cytosine. But fourth one is uracil. In DNA, here fourth one is thymine, but here RNA, fourth one is uracil. So these are the 4 nitrogenous compounds present in the RNA. In these 4 nitrogenous compounds, particularly adenine and uracil. Adenine and uracil. In between, hydrogen bond will be developed. Hydrogen bond is present. At the same time, vice versa, if you take, uracil combines with adenine to form hydrogen also. So, it is a double helical, single helical structure. In between these single helical structure, like this. So, here, for example, adenine is present and uracil. In between, hydrogen bond is present. If you take vice versa, so RNA is a single helical structure. In this single helical structure, 4 nitrogen bases are present. If you take adenine and uracil, there is a hydrogen bond. At the same time, vice versa, if you take uracil is combined with adenine, here also nitrogen bond is present. Okay, next, guanine and cytosine. In this hydrogen bond present, vice versa also hydrogen bond will be formed. For example, if you take, this is guanine and this is cytosine. In between, hydrogen bond formed. Vice versa, we are taking cytosine and guanine. Here also hydrogen bond is present. Okay, this is the RNA structure. So RNA is ribonucleic acid. It is single helical structure. In RNA, 4 nitrogen bases are present. One is adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Particularly in DNA. In DNA, here fourth one is thymine. In DNA, fourth one is thymine. Particularly RNA, here fourth one is uracil. This is the difference in the DNA and RNA. Remaining 3 nitrogen bases are same both DNA and RNA. Okay, so in adenine and uracil, hydrogen bond present. Vice versa also, guanine and cytosine, hydrogen bond is present. Vice versa also. Okay, this is total about the RNA. So this is the final total about the nucleic acid. Okay, are you understand? Next, we are going to discuss the vitamins. Okay, next topic is final topic, the last topic, that is vitamins. In these vitamins, so the definition of the vitamin is organic compounds required in the diet in small amounts. Organic compound required in the diet in small amounts. Okay, it's called vitamins. Okay, so it is an organic compound which is present in small amounts through our diet. Okay, this growth and health. So vitamins are why are using here? So it is very needed to ours, particularly maintain the growth and health. Okay, so these are the vitamins. So they will again I repeated vitamins. The definition of the vitamin, it is an organic compound required in the diet in small amounts. It's called vitamins. So vitamins why are using to maintain the growth and health of the our life. Okay, it is vitamins. So here the vitamins, if excess of vitamins, if you take, it is also harmful. It is also harmful. Okay, excess of vitamins also harmful to ours. At the same time, vitamin pills should not be taken without a doctor's prescription. Okay, so excess of vitamins are harmful to ours. At the same time, vitamins are not using by the suggestion of the doctors. By the suggestion of the doctors, it cannot be used as our daily life. Okay, this is totally about the vitamins. So vitamins are classified into two types. First one is fat soluble vitamins. And second one is water soluble vitamins. First one is fat soluble vitamin, and second one is water soluble vitamins. And what are the vitamins present total here? 8 vitamins totally. A, B, C, D, E and K. Total 5 vitamins are present in this 5 vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are and water soluble vitamins are present. So what are the fat soluble vitamins? Totally here 4 fat soluble vitamins are there. That is A, D, E, K. These are the 4 fat soluble vitamins. Okay. Next, water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins B and C. These are 2 water soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins means they are soluble in fat only. That is not soluble in water. Again I repeat it. Fat soluble vitamins means they are soluble in only fats, not only water. Okay. They are not soluble in water. So it is called fat soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. Next, water soluble vitamins. So water soluble vitamins are B and C. So these vitamins soluble in water only. They do not soluble in fat. Okay. So these are the difference between the fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Let us discuss one by one what is the sources and deficiency of the vitamins. Okay, next discussing fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins or water soluble vitamins, what are the sources, what is the deficiency present in this vitamins, and what is the scientific name of the vitamins. Let us see one by one. Okay, let's see what are the vitamins sources of the vitamins and the deficiency of the vitamins and scientific names of their vitamins. So here we are draw the one table form, that is serial number, name of the vitamins, sources of the vitamins and deficiency of the vitamins. First, vitamin A. The name of the first vitamin scientific name is retinol. Retinol is the scientific name of the vitamin A. So the sources of the vitamin A is fish liver oil, carrots, butter and milk. Sources of the vitamin A is fish liver oil, carrots, butter and milk. And the deficiency of the vitamin A is giraffe-thalmia. Giraffe-thalmia is the deficiency of the vitamin A. What is meaning of the giraffe-thalmia? Hardening of cornea of eye. Hardening of cornea of eye is the xerophthalmia. Okay, next another deficiency is present, that is night blindness. So deficiency of the vitamin A is xerophthalmia, hardening of the cornea of eye, and night blindness. Okay, these are the total vitamin A. So again I repeated, vitamin A is a scientific name. Vitamin A scientific name is retinol, and source is fish liver oil, carrots, butter, milk. Deficiency is xerophthalmia, means hardening of cornea of eye, night blindness. Let us go to second vitamin, that is B vitamin. In this B vitamin, so some types of B vitamins are present. In that B1, B2, B6, B12 we are here writing. So first one is B1 vitamin. The scientific name of B1 vitamin is thiamine. The sources of the thiamine means B1 vitamin: yeast, milk, green vegetables, cereals. Sources of the B vitamin is yeast, milk, green vegetables, and cereals. The deficiency of the B1 vitamin is berry. Very important. Berry is the deficiency of the B1 vitamin. Means loss of appetite, retarded growth. Loss of appetite, retarded growth. Okay. So next, B2 vitamin. So B2 vitamin, the scientific name is riboflavin. Scientific name is riboflavin. The sources: milk, egg white, liver, kidney. Milk, egg white, liver, kidney. These are the sources of the B2 vitamin, that is riboflavin. And deficiency is in this digestive disorders and burning sensation of the skin. Digestive disorders and burning sensation of the skin are fissuring at corners of the mouth and lips. Fissuring at corners of the mouth and lips. These are the deficiency of the vitamin B2. Okay. Next, B6. Vitamin B6. The scientific name of vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. The sources of the vitamin B6 is yeast, milk, egg yolk, cereals, and grams. Sources of the B6 vitamin: yeast, milk, egg yolk, cereals, and grams. The deficiency is convulsions. Convulsions means like mocha. Okay. So convulsions. Deficiency of vitamin B6 is convulsions. Next, go to another vitamin B12. B12 scientific name is cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin is the scientific name of B12. The sources of the vitamin B12 is meat, fish, egg, and curd. Meat, fish, egg, and curd are the sources of the vitamin B12. So the deficiency of the vitamin B12 is pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia means RBC means red blood cells deficient in hemoglobin. RBC cells deficient in hemoglobin is called pernicious anemia. Is the deficiency of vitamin B12. The scientific name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Next, go to vitamin C. The scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is the scientific name of vitamin C. So, sources of vitamin C is citrus fruits, amla, and green leafy vegetables. Citrus fruits, amla, and green leafy vegetables are the sources of the vitamin C. But the deficiency of the vitamin C is scurvy. Scurvy is the vitamin C deficiency. So, scurvy means bleeding gums. Bleeding gums is the deficiency of the vitamin C. Next, vitamin D. So, vitamin D scientific name is calciferol. Calciferol is the scientific name of vitamin D. So, sources: exposure to sunlight, fish, and egg yolk. These are the sources of the vitamin D. And deficiency is rickets. Rickets means bone deformites in children. Means bone will be changes like a hard substance. Changes like, okay, bone deformites in children is called rickets. But in adults, osteomalacia is is present as a deficiency. Osteomalacia means soft bones and joint pain in adults. Soft bones and joint pains in adults. This is the deficiency of vitamin D. Okay. Next, vitamin E. Vitamin A is scientific name is tocopherol. Vitamin E scientific name is tocopherol. The sources of vitamin E is vegetable oils like wheat gram oil, sunflower oil, etc. Sources of the vitamin E: vegetable oils like wheat gram oil, sunflower oil. The scientific name of vitamin E is tocopherol. Tocopherol is the scientific name of the vitamin E. So, deficiency is increased fragility of RBCs, and muscular weakness. These are the two deficiency formed due to the vitamin E. Okay. Next, last vitamin, that is vitamin K. The vitamin K scientific name is phylloquinone. Phylloquinone is the scientific name of vitamin K. The sources of the vitamin K is green leafy vegetables. They contain vitamin K. So, deficiency of vitamin K is increased blood clotting time. Increased blood clotting time is the deficiency of the vitamin K. So, these are the total about the vitamins. So, in this table, total fat soluble and also water soluble vitamins are present. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K are. These are the 4 fat soluble vitamins, and B and C. B and C are the water soluble vitamins. Okay, is it clear? This is total about the vitamins. Thank you.